Hi, now I'm gonna show you how to use the mogrt file of the YouTube element pack in Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, create your sequence and use your videos or image in the sequence. Then when you want to use our mogarts, first you have to open the essential graphic panel. If you don't see it, go in Windows, in here, essential graphics. You can see it. For importing the mogrt file to your essential graphic, you can click here to install motion graphic template, or you can just simply drag and drop the mogrt file into the essential graphic panel. Now for using it, you can search the category that you want to use. For example, I want to use an intro for this video. Simply type intro and just intros show me here. Choose one of them, for example this one, click, drag and drop to your sequence, and by default the size of the mogrt files are 4K. My video and my sequence is full HD. So first click on the mogrt layer, and go here on the edit panel. In the settings you can see this AIO all-in-one scale. Scale it down to 50% to fit the sequence resolution. Okay, here you can change all the colors, uh, all the setting you can play, and here there's a folder called text. Open this up and change the text, play with the setting, change the font, change the style, everything you can change. For example, maybe change this to another number, and change also this text. And like the After Effect, you can control the duration of this layer, this mogart. Simply drag, click the end of the layer, or maybe the start, no difference, and around maybe 5 seconds should be good. I want to use for example a lower third. Simply type lower third and see all the lower thirds here. Choose one of them, for example this one. Also you have to scale it down to 50 to fit the sequence size, and the time, for example change the text to let's see what we have here. And that's it. You can use all the categories like this, and hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.